Hello guys, this is Sunita. Welcome to your class. So today, class 11 English, chapter 3 Discovering Tut, the saga continues by A.R. Williams, part 1. So let us start. So before starting of the chapter, let me tell you about the Egypt. This is Africa continent and here is our Egypt. Next. Next is here in the chapter we are talking about the Valley of Kings and Tomb of Tutankhamun. This is River Nile. This nurtured Egyptian civilization. And here this Valley of Kings, if you can see here, is nearby Thebes, which was an ancient place, an ancient capital of Egypt. So, with it, let us start the chapter. Tut was an Egyptian pharaoh who lived 1843 BC. BC means back century to 1325 BC. He was the youngest and the last ruler of one of the most powerful dynasty of Egypt. Amenhotep III was his grandfather. In his rule, Egypt was a prosperous state. After Amenhotep III's death, his son Amenhotep IV acceded to the throne. He is remembered to initiate a religious reform of sweeping nature. He selected one god, the sun god, as his almighty. He ordered the shutting down of old temples and destroyed the images and ideals of the god Amun. He changed his name from an Amenhotep IV to Akhenaten. King Tutankhaten became a pharaoh at the age of 9 in about 1334 BC and ruled till 1325 BC. His ruling period was of a period of economic prosperity. Tut moved back to the practice of old religion and changed his name from Tutankhaten to Tutankhamun to show his reverence to the old god Amun. He died at the age of 18 or 19 and the cause of his death is still a mystery. He was buried in the Valley of Kings. This is all about the background of the chapter. Now let us have a short summary of the chapter. The tomb of King Tut was discovered by an English archaeologist, Howard Carter, who had been digging in the Valley of Kings for last 15 years, and the Earl of Carnarvon, who had funded him. The Valley of the King's royal burial ground had been part of ancient Thebes. Howard Carter discovered the glittering treasure of the tomb also. According to the custom, Tutankhamun's dead body was mummified after the internal organs such as brain, liver, lungs, and intestines had been removed. The body was packed in a dry mineral called natron for dehydration, and then raisins, gums, and oils were used to embalm the body, which was wrapped in a linen bandages and decorated with amulets and other jewelry. The separately treated organs were placed in 4 miniature coffins. The most impressive object in the tomb was the solid gold coffin, which contained the mummified body of King Tut, weighed 110.4 kg. The mummy had a death mask of gold also. A curse was invoked in this regard to protect their king's mummies from robbers and political enemies. First CT scan was done in 1922 and second on 5th January 2005. In second CT scan, our writer witnessed the tomb and the background is on the basis of available resources. In the next video, we are going to talk about the line-to-line explanation of the chapter. Till then, have a nice day.